What are the requirements for a new microbrewery site? With the development of the times, more and more people like to drink craft beer and ready to enter the industry to open his own brewery. There are many aspects to consider when building a brewery, and the choice of location is very important. 1. Geographical area. Location is extremely important for a brand new brewery. Partnerships between manufacturing facility areas and sales areas need to be considered. Try to stay away from the center unknown, otherwise the development will suffer. 2. Shipping. When planning the site, we need to base on the transportation volume. Determine the design and construction of roads, warehouses, and cargo yards. 3. Terrain. The terrain of the sited area must be level with a natural slope of approximately 5/1000 to 8 drainage. It should be kept in mind that there are no natural resources, soil, silt, etc. underground, and the groundwater level is below 2.5 m above the ground level of the workshop. 4. Water resources. In the process of choosing a brewery site, what water resources should be considered for development? High-quality water has a great impact on the taste of beer. Water quality testing can be carried out before determining the plant site. Refer to the Water Quality Analysis Report. If you want to start a brewery, here are our suggestions.